Tucked away in the shadows of the majestic Himalayas lies Bhutan, a kingdom that measures its success not by GDP, but by gross national happiness. Intrigued? You should be. This is a land where ancient traditions thrive alongside breathtaking landscapes and where life unfolds in delightful, unexpected ways. Today, we're unraveling 19 strange and fascinating facts about Bhutan that will leave you spellbound. Ever heard of a country where the king prioritizes happiness over economic gain, or where phallic symbols are celebrated for good luck and protection? How about a place where polyandry still exists in some remote areas, allowing men to have multiple wives? Prepare to embark on a journey through a realm of mystery and wonder where every fact is more surprising than the last. Hold tight as we venture into the heart of Bhutan, a place where the extraordinary is simply part of everyday life. You won't want to miss a single moment of this captivating tale. Let's dive into the mysterious and fascinating kingdom of Bhutan. Nestled in the eastern Himalayas, this small nation is full of surprises. So buckle up, because we're about to explore 19 strange facts about Bhutan that will blow your mind. The last Shangri-La. Imagine a place so secluded and pristine that it's nicknamed the last Shangri-La. That's Bhutan for you. The last Shangri-La, a mythical, enchanting land, often distant and seemingly out of reach, where all desires are fulfilled and life is idyllic. This tiny kingdom remained isolated from the outside world until the 1970s. Even today, it carefully controls tourism to preserve its unique culture and environment. The last Shangri-La is a mystical realm that seems to float between the realms of dreams and reality. With a population of around 750,000, this secluded, landlocked nation is celebrated for its profound sense of happiness and well-being. The enchanting fusion of ancient traditions, deep-rooted spirituality, and thoughtful progress creates an irresistible allure for those seeking an extraordinary journey into the unknown. Carbon-negative country. Hold on to your hats, environmentalists. Bhutan isn't just carbon neutral, it's carbon negative. This means it absorbs more carbon dioxide than it produces. With 72% of the country covered in forests, Bhutan is giving Mother Nature a big green hug. We'd be incredibly grateful if you could check our description for travel bags, goods and equipment purchases, as your support helps us earn a bonus and encourages us to continue our efforts. Thank you. No traffic lights. Imagine a capital city with no traffic lights. In Thimphu, Bhutan's capital, traffic is directed by white-gloved police officers. It's like a choreographed dance of cars and pedestrians. Plastic-free pioneer. Bhutan banned plastic bags way back in 1999, making it one of the first countries to do so. Talk about being ahead of the curve. Gross national happiness. Now, here's something you don't hear every day. While most countries obsess over their gross domestic product, Bhutan measures its success with gross national happiness. That's right. They prioritize their citizens' well-being over economic growth. How's that for a revolutionary idea? In the late 1970s, Bhutan's fourth king, Jigme Singye Wangchuck, introduced the intriguing concept of gross national happiness. He famously declared that gross national happiness is more important than gross domestic product. This visionary idea suggests that true progress should embrace a comprehensive view of development, one that balances material wealth with the well-being of people and the environment. The framework of gross national happiness, GNH, is built upon four enigmatic pillars. These include the advancement of sustainable development, the safeguarding and nurturing of cultural values, the protection of the natural environment, and the foundation of sound governance. Together, these pillars weave a tapestry of holistic well-being, guiding Bhutan's journey toward a harmonious future. The mysterious takin. Ever heard of a takin? It's Bhutan's national animal, and it looks like a cross between a goat and an antelope. Legend has it that a Tibetan saint created this creature from the remains of his lunch. Now that's what I call divine intervention. The Bhutan takin, scientifically known as Budorcas taxicolor white, is a unique subspecies of takin. While native to Bhutan, this elusive creature can also be spotted in northeastern India, western China, and Tibet. Known locally as Drong Gimtse, the takin proudly stands as Bhutan's national animal, embodying the mystique and wonder of this enchanting land. Archery, the national sport. Forget football or cricket. In Bhutan, archery reigns supreme as the national sport. But this isn't your average target practice. Bhutanese archery competitions are festive events with singing, dancing, and even friendly trash-talking. Mandatory national dress. Here's a fashion fact for you. Bhutanese people are required to wear their national dress in public places. For men, it's the go, a knee-length robe. And for women, it's the kira, an ankle-length dress. Talk about a unified look. While these outfits are deeply rooted in tradition, government officials are required by law to wear them. The go is the traditional dress for Bhutanese men, characterized by its knee-length fabric, which is secured at the waist with a belt called the kera. Phallus paintings. Now brace yourselves for this one. In Bhutan, it's common to see houses decorated with paintings of, well, phalluses. Before you blush, know that these symbols are believed to ward off evil spirits and bring good luck. Who knew? Marijuana, a weed problem. Here's a twist. In Bhutan, marijuana grows wild and abundantly. But instead of being a cash crop, it's considered a nuisance weed. Farmers often feed it to their pigs. Talk about high livestock, a royal wedding like no other. In 2011, Bhutan's beloved King Jigme Khesar, Namgyel Wangchuk, married his commoner bride in a traditional ceremony. But here's the kicker. He announced that he would never take another wife, effectively ending the practice of polygamy among Bhutanese royals. Polyandry, multiple husbands. Now remember how we mentioned men can have multiple wives in some places? Well, in certain parts of Bhutan, the opposite is true. Some communities practice polyandry, where a woman can have multiple husbands. Usually, these husbands are brothers. It's a practice aimed at keeping family lands intact. In Bhutan, polygamy is permitted provided that future wives give their consent. However, under both the civil and customary laws of the country, polygamous spouses do not receive legal recognition. While Bhutanese women may traditionally have multiple husbands, they are legally recognized as having only one husband. If you want to travel Bhutan, watch our video, Bhutan Full Travel Guide. The $250 daily tourist fee. Visiting Bhutan can be quite costly, as the country is deeply committed to sustainable tourism. They embrace a philosophy known as high-value, low-impact tourism. Discover the wonders of Bhutan with Follow Alice, where you'll find everything you need to plan your Bhutanese adventure. So visiting Bhutan comes with a price tag. Tourists must pay a minimum daily fee of $250 during peak season. But before you gasp, know that this includes accommodation, food, transport, and a guide. It's all part of Bhutan's high-value, low-impact tourism policy. The Thunder Dragon Kingdom. Bhutan's official name is Drukyul, which translates to Land of the Thunder Dragon. Legend has it that the sound of thunder is actually the roar of dragons. Renowned for prioritizing gross national happiness above all else, Bhutan is also famously dubbed the Land of the Thunder Dragon. This evocative name alludes to the fierce thunderstorms that descend upon its valleys from the towering heights of the Himalayas, adding to the country's mysterious allure. How's that for a dramatic national identity? The giant Buddha. Bhutan is home to one of the largest Buddha statues in the world. The Buddha Dordenmus stands at a whopping 169 feet tall and is filled with 125,000 smaller Buddha statues. Talk about a monumental achievement. The mystical snowman. Bhutan is one of the few places where the legendary Yeti, or abominable snowman, is believed to roam. The government has even created a wildlife sanctuary for this mythical creature. Who knows, maybe you'll spot one on your Bhutanese adventure. No mountaineering allowed. Despite being home to some of the world's highest unclimbed peaks, Bhutan prohibits mountaineering. Why? They believe these peaks are the sacred homes of protective deities and spirits. So, sorry climbers, these summits are off limits. The power of the Raven Crown. Bhutan's monarchy is symbolized by the Raven Crown. This unique headgear, adorned with a raven's head, is believed to protect the country. It's not just a fashion statement, it's a powerful national symbol. Television, a late arrival. And for our final fact, Bhutan was the last country in the world to introduce television. TV broadcasting only began in 1999. Talk about preserving traditional values in a modern world. And there you have it, folks. 19 strange and fascinating facts about Bhutan, the land of the thunder dragon. From carbon-negative policies to polyandrous marriages, Bhutan is truly a world of its own. If this video piqued your curiosity, why not dive deeper? Hit that like button, subscribe to Travel Forever On for more mind-blowing facts about the world, and don't forget to ring that notification bell. And here's a question for you. Which of these facts surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time, this is Alex from Travel Forever On, reminding you that our world is full of amazing surprises. Keep exploring, keep wondering, and we'll see you on our next adventure.